Welcome to the series of complex numbers in Python. Today's topic is logarithm of complex numbers, and this video is going to be a little different from the other videos in the series because to understand this video you need some good amount of knowledge. I mean, you actually need some good knowledge about complex numbers. So before going into the computational part or the programming part, I mean, I personally suggest you to watch some lectures about complex numbers so you could understand this better. Because if you don't know actually what is happening mathematically, the code won't be going to make much of a sense if you don't get the logic behind what is written here. Thank you. Let's continue. Now, this might confuse you a bit because in high school math, we have seen that the logarithm is a property of positive numbers, or the domain of the logarithmic function is the positive real numbers. But if you go higher into the math, you can you will deal with the logarithms of complex numbers and stuff. And also now, before doing this in programming or Python, you should know that you need quite a mathematical background and a lot of theoretical knowledge to understand exactly what is happening. And sorry, but I'm not going to explain it here. I will explain it in a later video, but this video will be too long if I explain that. So if you want to understand this video properly, you should first watch any theoretical lecture of complex numbers on a college or university level, not university level, actually college level. Then you can properly understand what is actually going on here. Sorry, while writing the code, I made a small mistake. Let me clear it. Actually, I forgot to separate the real and the complex part, and instead of adding them, I multiplied them. Let me correct it. And now let's see the results. Now here are the results. You can uh, do the calculations yourself for to check if the code is working correctly or not. And this is it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.